my friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great new year so far. So it's gonna be my birthday in a couple of days, and my hubby wants to give me something, but I honestly don't know what I want. I'm blanking out, so we're gonna go shopping and see if I find something that I like, and I'm taking you along with me, so wish me luck. Okay, I'm here in one of the stores in my local mall, and I found this jacket which looks pretty cool. I don't have one this particular style with those buttons like that. I kind of like it. Let's see what else they have here. They have this like little jumpsuit, is shorts, but that's not really my style. Let's see what else they have. I found this like cargo pants, but it's more like a satin type of material, so I don't know how I feel about that. And they have it for $16, not bad. Okay, I went to another store. This one's called Marianne. I don't know if they have that over there in the States, but look at this, how cute. I like this. And it's white. I do own one that's black, so I don't know how I feel about the white one. I love these pants, but I do have two similar pants at home like that, so I'll skip on that. Let's see what else. Can I just say, look at that floor, how shiny and white it is. Why am I so interested in the floor instead of the clothes? What's wrong with me? Okay, let's see. They have this outfit over here, a red one over there, this crop top, but it's very, very like tight and short, so that's not for me. Let's see what else. They have a lot of stuff here, especially for like now for New Year's and stuff like that. I see a lot of sparkly, shiny, glittery clothes everywhere. But again, not really for me. I'm just gonna try a couple of things and see if I like it or not. I found this top, but with my belly, it does not look good. So I tried it with these jeans. They're bell bottoms and they're high rise, but I still don't feel like I like it on me. So then I oddly found this one. Can you believe it? It's a Halloween shirt and I love it, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not yet. Then they have this one, and I don't own any colorful blouses, so that's why I was like, maybe I should get something like this, because I know definitely I don't have something like this at home. So, but I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's not really my style per se, but I don't know. Then there's this one. It's very breezy. It's like a t-shirt. I love this one. It has cute little black hearts all over, and I love the strap on the shoulders, because it's like a silver bronze. I love that. Okay, I went to another store, and I gotta mention these drawers, because these drawers are so great for storing stuff. I use it for my makeup. I have 4 of them, and it's like the best thing that I've ever bought for makeup, because you can see it's all clear and you can see everything you have inside, and you can sort things out. It's awesome. I love these. Okay, so I went to Burlington to see the shoes and sneakers to see if I found something that I like, but I didn't really find anything that I wanted from here, so I'll continue searching and see if I find something better. There's a lot of Valentine's Day stuff out at Burlington, a whole bunch. Everything was pink and white and red, a lot of hearts. They have these that are the little globes. They have pillows, different sizes, shapes, very cute. So if you're really into Valentine's, go to Burlington, because they already have a whole bunch of stuff out, so I thought I'd show you some of it. Find anything that I was looking for. Nothing really caught my attention. I didn't really like anything, so I'm debating if I'm gonna go today to another mall that's further away, or leave it for tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go today because I don't want to buy something just to buy it. I want something that I actually really like and I know I'm gonna use, you know. So I'm still debating if I'm going today or not. For you, it'll be just a second. So hello again, it's the next day, so I'm gonna go to the other mall, which is further away from me, and see if I go to Hot Topic, maybe I'll find something there, who knows. So I'll see you there. Okay, I made it to Hot Topic. Look at all these gorgeous bags. Let me show you some of them. I see the Ghost Space over there, and then check how gorgeous the Killer Clowns. This one's super cute. Definitely love this one. Check this one out. It's Frankenstein and his bride. How stunning is this bag? Super cute. I found this t-shirt here. I have to show you because it's so beautiful. And I love the stripes, the black and white stripes on the shoulders and the sleeves. That's great. Let me show you the purses over here because I found this one, but it's from Betty Boop, and I think it's super cute. They also have this one. It's black with all the little chains and everything. Super cute on the flimsy side, but still pretty cute. And then I wanted to show you this one because I do love this one a lot. I like that little pattern of the moth, but for me it's too small. Then over here I found some cool jammies. Look at these with the skulls and stars, and this one, woof, love that. Super cozy. Ooh, look at this crop top. It's so cute. Ghost face, and I love Scream, so this one's really good. Okay, you know I had to try it on, and definitely yes. This is a yes. This is more me. I feel comfortable in it, and I love it. Okay, so I left. I'm in the parking lot still, but I wanted to show you what I did find because I did find two little items that I like, and I found them at Hot Topic. Here's the bag. And the reason why I couldn't find anything anywhere is because it always happens to me every year. After the holidays, my birthday is January 5th, so it's right after Christmas and stuff like that. And the stores are either empty shelves or they have all the crap that nobody wanted for the most part. And it's very difficult for me every year to try to find stuff for my birthday that I like. Whether it's something that I just don't like or they never have my size or whatever the case may be. This time I was like, well, let me go check again and see if I'm lucky to find something. But I did find two little things here at Hot Topic. I mean, I couldn't pass on this Frankenstein and his bride bag. Look how cute. And I love the fact that it's black and gray and white. I love this so much. It's so freaking cute. Love that. And of course I had to get the ghost face like shirt, this one, because it's so comfy. It's kind of crop top but not too short. It's just perfect, so I got this one too. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's completely free, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.